Hi, it's Doug from DTA Designs Inc. In this video, we will be talking about the fire risk meaning function within our fire department theme software. You are currently looking at the home page after signing into the website. From the menu bar, click on the administration option. Your home page and administration page might look a little different as it is customized for your fire department. Also, not all options might have been turned on for your fire department. Click on the Fire Status button on the administration page. From the Fire Status homepage, click on the Fire Risk Meaning button. By default, you will be shown the current fire status fire risk meaning. In this case, it is showing us the very high fire risk meaning. You are probably asking yourself, what is a fire risk header? And what are fire risk definition lines? Fire risk header is what is shown above the larger today's fire status image. Fire risk definition lines are the lines that appear to the right of the larger today's fire status image. We use lines as opposed to paragraphs so that spacing is consistent and easier for the user to read. As you can see, we have two blank lines to add additional lines of fire risk meaning. Let's first change the fire risk meaning to moderate. Click on Moderate from the drop-down list, then click on the Change Meaning button. Let's add the text, "Please call 1-800-555-2323 before you start any open-air burning." Click on the Save button. We get a confirmation message stating that the update was successful. Notice that we still have two blank lines to add more text if required. Let's preview our changes by clicking on the Fire Risk Details button. We get another pop-up informing us that we are only viewing the fire risk status and the fire status is only set to moderate for this preview. As you can see, the actual fire status of very high is still showing in the top right of the screen. Also, the line we added is shown. The last thing I want to show you is what happens when there is a fire restriction in place as shown and you want to update the extreme fire risk meaning. As we know, once you change the fire status to extreme and there is a fire restriction in place, the restriction is removed. Let us update the extreme fire risk meaning and click on the Save button. Now let's click on the Fire Risk Details button. We receive a pop-up just like before, but this time it is also informing us that the system did not display the fire restriction message since there wouldn't be a fire restriction if the fire status was set at extreme. Now we will click on the Fire Status home page and then click on Fire Risk Details button to show that the fire restriction is indeed still in place. This concludes the fire risk meaning function within the fire department theme software from DTA Designs Inc. Thanks for watching.